go outside.
Joe, leave us. I'm right now.
I have a headache.
Okay.
So, I will say never mind.
Is anybody else going to practice any?
I'll throw you in the cold creek. You're lucky I don't throw you outside.
Hey. I just called him out in there. Did you see that?
Ooh, nobody cares.
That was long. And 5 minutes later, it'll all come out. They did that one time. Thank you.
What's that? I just see it coming up. I just
Hey.
I had chicken with some Doritos.
I had pepperoni
pizza. It'd be a work for it.
And that's Sunday, that's what we're doing, pepperoni. They all settled on pepperoni.
Let's go, Deanna.
Winking it like that for? Because she's sucking in air.
I'm sitting up straight so that the air can work its way out.
Oh.
It's proper technique. You have to have good enough competition to do this. Oops.
I was in 3rd grade. And I won. So much for sitting up. And then Redline thought that I had a burping problem. They called my mom for it. I was like, crap. Mom's like,
I think she should do it and get out of school, to be honest.
what? Me?
No.
Look at this.
Because I was talking about that.
It's not one to come out.
I think Deanna's out of the competition. Awful quiet on her side.
She was quiet the whole time I was.
Let's see it.
Oh, that was weak.
Sydney's concentrating.
I'm concentrating.
She's in the zone.
I'm in the
The
zone.
zone.
I don't concentrate. What is that?
My mom bought them earlier. Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
I'll just do
Those are her favorite.
Alright.
Oh, you want to find out? You're evil!
One more.
No, I'm good right now.
Do it again, Deanna.
He had a headache, so he had to step out.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
You can go out with him
He
too.
fell sick with this whole weekend. He was.
Nasty girl.
I was kidding. I didn't realize.
Excuse me, we are not nasty.
We are still.
We're all natural. All natural.
Yeah, we can do that too. Whatever.
You are nasty.
Shut up.
Natural.
I can still see you, Deanna.
Oh, come on.
It's not coming out. It's stuck. Kill the mosquito!
Kill it! Get it!
Heather, you're just sitting there. Do something.
I got this. I got this.
Hey now.
I will hate you.
My corner. Okay. I'm getting electrocuted.
Bye, Heather.
I bet I look better getting that than you would.
Wrong ones, Deanna.
That's the light.
The light beside it, Deanna.
It's not coming out.
Why are we standing?
Oh, I gotta stop.
Are we done?
Alright.
Got five.
I
Are we done?
say it's
that.
time. Wait.
Say hi.
Wait, I can do it.
Yeah, then what is it?
I don't know. I can do it better.
Sounds like a weird cat.
Well, Deanna, you are a cat, so.
Don't touch the hair, man.
Now why is your
That is
secret?
off limits.